Mika and a Little Bird. Short story. Once in a vibrant jungle lived a curious monkey named Miko. Miko loved to explore and play, but he also had a habit of taking things that didn't belong to him. One day he saw a shiny red apple in a farmer's basket. Without thinking, Miko snatched the apple and ran away. As he was about to enjoy his stolen treat, he saw a little bird struggling to carry a twig for its nest. Miko, remembering how much he loved to play, decided to help. He dropped the apple and helped the bird, and together they carried the twig. The bird thanked Miko, and Miko realized that helping others made him feel happier than the stolen apple ever could. He returned the apple to the farmer and apologized. The farmer smiled and gave Miko a bigger, better apple. Miko learned that honesty and kindness are always the best choices. Moral of the story is, it's better to be kind and honest than to take what doesn't belong to you. Thanks for watching.